You're going to take your little pin and you're going to put it in the hole. This one, no. This one, yes. All you have to do is put the pin in here, push lightly, and bada boom, bada bing. There you go. This pops out just like that. You put your card in there, easy cheesy lemon squeezy, put it back in here, and lightly, gently push this in, and there you go. Wasn't that a snap? Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. You'll probably notice, hey, what kind of screen protector does he have? It's the Whitestone Dome glass protector. Been using this for years. It is the Cadillac of Cadillacs. I highly recommend that. They even have a protector for the camera lens too. Make sure you hit the subscribe button on my channel right there, because I'm going to be installing the Armor Box from iBlazin. This is the, this is a tough case. Love it. So with this case and the Whitestone Dome glass protector, I'm going to feel safe, well protected, and happier than a dog with two tails. Hey, should appreciate it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you want to, send me cookies, and have a great, awesome day. Adios. Goodbye.